build pergola. Hi everyone, this is Phoebe. Have you ever worried about how the pergolas can facing durabilities, anti-corrosion, and maintenance cost problem? Today I will separate 3 points for you to compare wooden pergola and aluminum alloy pergola. Let's go. First, support and stability. For wooden pergola, it has a lighter and simpler structure, which can lead to safety issues after your long-term usage. But aluminum alloy pergola has higher hardness and strength, which allows more complex and sturdy structures. It can be used for years without any problems. Secondly, durability and corrosion resistance. For wooden pergola, prone to rotten and mold in humid conditions, needs replacement or repair after 2 to 3 years due to corrosion, resulting in reduced structural strength or durabilities. But for aluminum alloy pergola, naturally resistant to corrosion and rust, can withstand harsh weather conditions like rain, humidity, and prolonged UV exposure without cracking or aging. AlunoTec pergolas come up with a warranty of up to 20 years, so no worry of the quality. AlunoTec's aluminum pergolas can withstand winds up to 136 miles per hour and snow loads up to 30 inches. The last but also important is maintenance cost. For wooden pergola requires regular maintenance, including annual anti-corrosion treatments and repainting to prevent pest, mold, and cracking, which increase time and cost. But for aluminum alloy pergola, no need for regular painting, anti-corrosion treatments, or other maintenance. Only cleaning with just a simple wipe down. In conclusion, I will give 5 stars to aluminum alloy pergola and 3 stars for wooden pergola. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.